Chris. Welcome to episode 5 of the Volkswagen Crafter Conversion. I have been working on this probably for about 1.5 years now, so it's been a slow process, but we're finally there. We are, I'd say, probably about 90% complete on the build. There's only little finishing touches now, so obviously I'm going to want to paint the wood, add little bits of carpet here and there around the windows and stuff, and then get a few like little accessories to kind of finish it off. So I'm going to give you a tour of what's been done so far. This is the little pull-out deck that I have in the back of the van. So you can pull out, you can sit on it, and you could also probably eat at it outside as well. Also in the back of the van, this is where we house our diesel heater. So we have the tank for it here, and then the diesel heater itself, and then it pulls through into the van. Also have the little bit of decoration here, so waves and mountains, which is done by Jen at Custom Conversions. So really happy with it, and just need to get painting. So the bed here is a custom size bed, and it comes from custom size mattresses. It is super comfortable. It's probably a little too thick, and that's my own fault. I ordered the 25 centimeter one, just wanting the most comfortable and the thickest mattress, but in hindsight I probably could have got a little bit thinner, but I still love it. Maybe down the line I could potentially modify it to make it a little bit thinner, but it's a really comfortable bed, and I will leave the link below to where I got it. So currently I am sat in the bathroom on the toilet. Not actually using the toilet, so don't worry, but I am currently sat on the lid of the Nature's Head toilet, and I am so glad that I installed a toilet in the van. If I was to choose again, would I choose the Nature's Head one again? Not necessarily. There's definitely a lot of alternatives out there that can be used instead of this one, because this one was like £800–900, so it's really expensive. So there's some cheaper alternatives that I will leave a little link to below. For me, a toilet was a necessity in the van. I have ulcerative colitis, so I use the toilet quite a bit. So I was like, number one priority, it's something that I would need. And yeah, I do love it. It can be a little bit of a hassle to clean out sometimes, but that's definitely outweighed by the pros of having a toilet in here. But I would definitely maybe go for a different brand if I was going for another one. Here are my kitchen units that I went for in like a blue colour. They were made by a local kitchen company, and I got the worktop from IKEA. And we have the Dometic fridge installed, and the drawers are being kept in with locks. I tried little magnetic latches, but it kept opening, so we just decided to install locks, and they haven't opened since. I also have a Thetford 2-burner hob. We have a Smeg sink and a tap from Amazon. So I have my gas installed. It was installed by an engineer who is on the gas safe register, which I highly recommend making sure you look into if you are installing gas, and I will show you how it is installed. So we have the hob up here, and I'm going to show you the little canister below. In here is where I will access the gas from. So the door will come off like this, and then we have the gas canister in here, so this will keep us safe. I am going to get the carbon monoxide monitor linked up. We have the water in here. I need to replace out this valve. This is only a temporary thing. And then in here we have the water pump in there, and then that is how I access the gas. The gas was installed by a gas safe engineer, which is extremely important, so I just wanted to show you that. So this is the gas that I have installed currently. I can't remember what size it is. It is a 3.9 kg propane. It's got this little adapter that slides in and out, which is very handy. This can actually hold up to, I believe, 6 kilograms, but there wasn't any in stock when I was looking for them, so I just got the smaller one, and it is tied in. Sorry, I don't know if you see it, it's quite bright out here with the sun. It's tied in so it won't come loose, and then it's in this sealed canister. So yeah. So storage wise, we have a few different options. So we have the sliding cupboard up above the cab. We have these little sliding drawers that are made as well, just above the seating area. And then we also have one above the kitchen area, and then obviously all the ones that are in down below the kitchen units. So we have plenty of storage, and then couple that together with the storage under the bed, I don't think we'll have any problem. Over here we have a little collection of USB connections, and also the connection for the lights, the fan in the toilet, and the water pump. Up here we have the Victron control panel installed, along with the controller for the Max Air fan, and a little set of plugs with USB ports. So this is the seating area here. With the seating area, I bought some foam online, and then I took it to a local upholsterer, and we did out the sizes, and we went for this blue kind of material to match in with the kitchen and everything else. Really comfortable. I'm really happy with how the material looks, and the great thing about this seating area is that we actually have storage underneath the seats, and then behind the seats is where we house the electric system. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and if you've subscribed, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I hope you've enjoyed the van conversion up to now. As I say, it's about 90% complete, so we're so close to the final stages and getting it done. I have stayed out in it a few times already, and I've just loved it. That kind of lifestyle is awesome. So feel free to subscribe if you want to see more. Recently I've done a video on a Volkswagen ID3, and then in the future I'm hoping to do some videos on technology and more electric vehicles and stuff like that. And then I'll probably post some adventures from the van as well. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch it. I really appreciate it. And if you want to subscribe, feel free. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.